1,000 invisible stabs to restoration. Only learning about my true kupuna once Kamehameha School's doors welcomed me. Hearing mispronunciation of Hawaiian places and names. Watching monumental Hawaiian sites get closed off or transformed into something that promotes paradise. Seeing animated hula dancers on items that document their stay here in Hawaii. Our people forgetting or not even knowing the Hawaiian anthem, only the Star-Spangled Banner. History being taught only from a red, white, and blue, clear, magnified lens. Tongue-tied speaking our language, completely bound by shame, societal cultural standards, a bleach washing of the brain. Our land being sold to people with dollar sign intentions, and not of preserving the significance and purity. Referring to places by the English renowned name rather than the original Hawaiian name. Looking at a now meaningless sky, once filled with directions of distant places. Each cut served on a silver platter, shoved down our throats. Ready to speak from the tip of my tongue is the mo'oku'auhau of those before me, overpronouncing Hawaiian names just so others know the perfect sound. A mentality of, denied access does not mean denied knowledge. I close my eyes and see hula dancers gliding across the Merry Monarch stage, humming Hawaii Pono'i every now and then, putting smiles on faces that come and go. Stepping out of the dark, seeking a Hawaiian perspective to shine a light on the true events of history. Teaching my ohana every sound I hear in my Hawaiian language class. Keeping the land in its utmost best condition so our people take pride in what is rightfully theirs. Using the Hawaiian names of places despite the raised eyebrows and peaked eyes. Making the most effort to restore Hawaiian practices in trivial but impactful ways, starting with the sky. We then push away these silver platters and return to our bowl with poi and poke. A flourishing Hawaiian language spoken, creating echoes. Taking pride in knowing the history behind our land, people, identity, and names. Taking accountability for our culture and restoring it with our bare hands. A community no longer divided like ahupua'as over these cuts we've pushed away. But one thriving Hawaiian community, united with our culture and each other after years of devastating severance.